Sorry, I have mosquitoes. And carpenter ants. Big time mosquitoes. My Eminem tattoo that I got worked on more of. Not this last Sunday, but the Sunday prior. I'm busy with trenches right now and carpet needles. For Middle Eastern biting beetles, aka earwigs, whatever you want to call them. I'm busy with them. Anyway, so I got the letters worked on last Sunday. It's very terrible. I'm just like, M has to be colored in solid black, and all the letters have to be detailed in. But it's for a tattoo. It's very dusty right now because of the diatomaceous earth, pesticide stuff that I'm wearing, the oil, whatever that I'm wearing, plus my jeans have it on it because of the scorpions. Anyways, that's it.